everybody. We're unloaded. We're about to take off. I might stop at the house today. Go to the house and then get down to Phoenix later tonight. Got a call from the shop already. As you can tell by my voice, I'm not really satisfied right now. Well, they're telling me it's the Deaf Dozer pump, which is like $1,200 itself. And after labor and everything and parts, it's an extra $1,000. So it's gonna be over. Apparently, it's gonna be over $2,200. So, with that being said, yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just basically want to say, found the issue. It's a Deaf Dozer pump. I was thinking it was the dozer not shooting out the amount, but they're saying it's the freaking pump. So, yeah, let's figure this out, shall we? Alright, everybody, welcome back. Or not welcome back, probably the same video. We are at the truck. We got back to the truck. It is ready, supposedly. Haven't started it. Luckily, I didn't. How's it going? But they never filled my coolant back up. So they did the work to it, but they never filled my coolant back up. I know they didn't because you see how low it is. Crappy thing is my battery's dead right now, so I'll have to go and ask them to give me a jump. And the guy that was walking around checking trucks, he's kind enough to take that truck back for me. So, yeah. So let's fill this back up and go ask them for a job. I've been freaking putting coolant in this thing for months now, for a simple fact. Between the surge tank and so on and so forth. Yeah. So. This is the only yard that, well, I'm not even gonna say nothing. Let me finish filling this up and then go from there. Oh yeah, this is that little connector that I showed you on the last video that I basically replaced myself. All right. That's where we're at. And we're over here. I backed up. I parked that trailer right here. It's empty. We delivered this morning at Costco. I'm running on 30 minutes of a nap right now of a 24-hour period. So, well, no, 26, 27 hour period. So I'm gonna go talk to dispatch, pretty much doing my 10-hour break. I woke up yesterday morning, delivered at 7 in Riverside, or woke up at 5, delivered at 7, and then went to the yard in Jurupa, and I sat in Jurupa all day. I was bugging dispatchers, planners, everybody trying to get a load, because everybody wanted to send me north. And I told them, I was like, I want to go get my truck. I have nothing in the loaner truck. So I want to go get my truck. It's ready. So about 5 or 10 minutes before everybody, the planners, go home, he sends me a load that picks up at 9 o'clock that yesterday night and delivered today at 7 a.m. So I've been up all day trying to get a load. Even if they were leaving, at least try to get me a load for the next morning. Well, they waited and got me a load. Yeah. But anyways, I'm not sure what this is gonna cost me to get done. They threw a number out there when they first told me. It was like $2,200, a little more than $2,200, they said, but I'm not quite sure. So yeah, my hair is looking funny. I don't know why. But anyways, I'm letting her idle. I do got a lot of crap back there I need to reorganize. I'm just letting her idle. That way, batteries charge up. Quarter tank of DEF, quarter tank of fuel. So yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully it's more of a positive video instead of a breakdown video or a replacement video. So later.